Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So today I received a phone call from someone that mentioned that they are in a bind because they really need to find a contract. They're running out of money. And we all hear that this is one of the best times between now, when we're looking at June, July, August, and September. If I had to do something right now, because I'm trying to get registered in sam.gov, let's say I don't have my cage code, I don't have any of that, what would I do right now? We're all concerned when we're really pressed up against the wall, and sometimes we make some decisions that aren't so great. So I just want to say the government, let's look at the timeline. If you were to win a contract right now, this is around May, you probably wouldn't see the money until maybe the end of June. The government doesn't pay very quickly, especially if it's net 30. Now, there are some things you can do to speed it along, and in this video, I'm going to talk about that. You ready? Let's go. So the number one thing I would do is I would really focus on building a relationship right now. And I would do that by either looking at FPDS for expiring contracts, looking at what's going to expire within the next month or so, reaching out to that contracting officer and talking to them and building a relationship, looking at who currently has the contract and looking at ways that I can persuade them that I'm the better fit or they should add me to the vendor list as well. The second thing I would do is I would look at doing micro purchases. There's some agencies where micro purchases are a lot easier. One of those agencies could be the Forest Service. Or one of those departments could be like the Forest Services, or if you're looking at working with an agency, let me think of another one. Let's say the Department of Agriculture. That's another one that may be a little bit easier when it comes to winning a contract and building a relationship and getting micro purchases. What I'm saying is you don't want to wait to get paid or look at being a sub. If I needed to make money right now and I really wanted to make sure I did that, the number one thing I would do is I would look at being a subcontractor. Subcontracting will allow them to pay you right in at 30 or sooner. You could ask for them to pay you less, so you give them like a chance to give you give them a discount for paying you sooner. I would look at being a sub, going to sma.gov. That would be my first thing I would do. Then next would be the micro purchase, and then look at building a relationship. But I would first start out with subcontractors. They're going to already have the work. Show yourself by giving a great introduction, give them things, differentiators about your company and you that's going to make a difference, why they should choose you. You still have to sell why they should go with you because they're the prime and you want to become the sub. But if I wanted to get in government contracts right now, I needed the money today and I need to get paid within like 30 days, I would automatically go as a subcontractor, but just make sure that you vet the prime, make sure that you give them reasons why they should choose you. And if that works out, you can, I wouldn't say it's easy, but you could reasonably be working within 30 days from now, receiving your money. And then work on the other things that I talk about coming up on ways that you can make sure that you're the prime next time and not the sub. So if you want to learn more on what it looks like to win government contracts, from micro purchases to FPDS, expiring contracts, to DIBs, all of that, I'm doing special classes. Make sure you click the link, sign up for my free masterclass where I go over this and more. The next one's going to be on Wednesday. So I'd love to see you there. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.